Guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. So today we're having this kind of 8BitDo controller. It's a tiny kind of controller, but it's really good for your mobile device, throughout your computer, throughout your other kind of devices. So it supports a variety of devices, which we're going to be checking it out. Some of the few devices which I have, like a phone and a PC. So enough of me talking. Let us just unbox this kind of bad boy and see what's packed inside. Okay guys, there we have it. This is our 8BitDo controller and we're going to be unboxing it and see what's packed inside. To be honest, I'm really pumped on this kind of controller because it's really nice in terms of minimalistic, I can say. So as you can spot it guys, really cool kind of controller throughout your mobile. So I'm going to keep it aside first and checking out what's inside. So this is your paperwork. As you can spot it, you can read it and check it out how you can pair throughout the controller with your other devices. And throughout here you're getting a USB Type-C to USB. Really cool throughout this kind of cable, and it has some very minimal kind of 8BitDo branding, which is really nice. And you're getting a lanyard. This is your lanyard over here, which is really cool. And as you can see, you can just keep your lanyard somewhere here throughout your controller and you're having everything steady. So I really like to keep this kind of lanyard over here so as I can be messing around with my controller. So yeah, really nice. So I can just keep it somewhere and stay there, and really cool. So let us just check it out throughout the PC and how you can pair it, because turning on this kind of bad boy, you just have to press start once and it will be on. But for pairing mode, you have just to hold select, so it will start flashing like that. That's entered onto pairing mode. So really cool throughout this kind of controller. You want to turn it off, just select start, press on start, and it will be off. So really cool kind of controller from 8BitDo. Now at the back here, it shows you how you can connect to throughout other devices. So you can 100% throughout connecting throughout other devices, and it's really nice. So yeah, and we're gonna be playing right now, so as you guys can see. So just like that, we've started on a game, and you can spot it. There's a difference throughout input of buttons. So if you want to go throughout the same input, you just have to read at the back what it says, and you can. But for now, let us just clutch in, since all the keys I understand. So it's really great. So just tapping through there, jumping on Super Mario, and it's really cool just having your controller like this way. And instead of you using those kind of on-screen kind of tapping, you can just use your controller throughout playing, which is really nice. So yeah, I just want to show you two type of gaming whereby you can just play. Really cool. Oh, just have to run this guy. Oh, so the controller is actually not bad. It's just decent on the gameplay. I can't complain much, though I wish it could be bigger because to enhance my hand. But for kind of gameplay whereby you just have no problem with it, I think is actually not bad for this type of a controller, which you can just play throughout your gaming. So yeah, really such a cool and amazing kind of controller from 8BitDo 02. So guys, since we check it out throughout the phone, right now we're going to be playing throughout the PC. So as you can see, a little bit of differentiation when you're clutching on different games, both on the phone or on the PC. So yeah, here we go guys, that's Cuphead. Really cool game, as you can spot it. Can just jump. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Dash. That's really nice. This is shooting. So orientation of the key is different, but you can actually change it so as it can align through the orientation. Oh. Lock. Oh, you can actually lock. I think locking is it this way? Oh, let's try. Oh, okay, nice. So guys, that's it about the 8BitDo 02. It's such an amazing kind of controller. It's so minimal. It's just a controller whereby you can just keep it on your bag, or even you just keep it on your keys, just somewhere there. It's just really cool throughout just having this kind of controller. You can use it throughout the phone. I find it playing throughout emulators like GBC, Game Boy. This is really dope. But playing it throughout other extensive kind of gaming, I find it you get tired a little bit quite easier throughout this kind of controller. But by far, it's such an amazing kind of iconic controller from 8BitDo. It's a Bluetooth-based 8BitDo 02 controller, and it's really worth it. So drop your comment section there. Tell me what do you think about this kind of 8BitDo 02 controller. And another kind of stuff, you're new here, consider subbing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate that. And another kind of stuff, I'm going to be seeing you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.